In this tutorial, you will learn how to download and install the Notepad app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open your Microsoft Store. Search for Notepad. Click on Notepad. Press the Get button to start downloading Notepad. Wait for Notepad to be downloaded and installed. Now your Notepad app should be installed. Now open your Notepad app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.